So as you can see, the water and the oil has boiled very well. So the next thing I'm going to put now is the cocoyam. So the cocoyam will go inside the pot. Cut and small. Then when I put them, this is the cocoyam I blend, the fresh one. I cook it, then peel the back and mash it in the mortar. Then as I put it there, you have to cover it to boil. So, as we put it down here, then I'll cover it to boil. After it boils, then I'll start putting my things inside. Yeah.